This one is the Yawning Ahh. So basically the point of this is to do an ah vowel, but as if you're yawning. So like a ah, ah. It helps raise your soft palate, which is essential for creating space and having healthy technique. So we're just gonna go down, just like our ya 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 exercise. We're going down instead of up. I'm gonna give you an example, an octave below where you'll start. So just listen, and then you'll start an octave above. So your starting pitch is C5. Here it is.
Ready, and